What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I want to talk about making money online. Is it really possible to make money online from home? And the answer is yes. So we are 8 days into February, but I'm going to show you just the results from the last 7 days with affiliate marketing. As you can see right here, we are live. So I'm going to do February 1st till February 7th. I'm going to click submit. And as you can see right here at the top, it's loading, so we are live. And I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in here. And as you can see, it says total has been 6,700 in the last 7 days with affiliate marketing. And then also just, I'm going to go ahead and show you my cash up here. And that's 1,900, right? So almost 8K in the last 7 days with affiliate marketing. And so that's the beautiful thing about, if you can work 2 to 3 hours per day from anywhere in the world, as long as you have Wi-Fi connection, you can plug into the step-by-step training where I'm going to take you step-by-step with video tutorials on what type of strategies that I personally use to create my first 6 figures online. So once you get started with the team, go ahead and click on the link below. Go to successwithadriana.com. Take a look at the full details. But as you can see, you can request to be added to our proof group here with the opportunity. And we have a ton of different testimonials. Big shout out to Mahmoudul. He generated a $150 commission. This was 17 hours ago that he posted. Sonica, she's completely crushing it. You can see here, this is a $600 commission, $300 commission, $300 commission. And this is just the beginning of, this is for the month of January. So Stefan here, that's another team member that came in, $150 commission. And all these are just different testimonials of people that are taking action and they are, getting started with the system. We have here Nigel, and as you can see right here, he generated multiple $150 commissions, $400 in 1 week. So I'm super excited for what's happening to the team. Again, affiliate marketing is a very simple business model. You don't have to create a product. That's a beautiful thing about it, right? You can let somebody else create the product. You promote the product. When somebody purchases through your affiliate link, you get paid an instant commission. That's how it works. And if you have PayPal or Cash App or Venmo, or Zelle, you can use those different payment processors to receive your payments. And really cool thing, that's different from a 9 to 5 job, right? When you're working a 9 to 5 job, you have to wait every 2 weeks to get paid, or even once a month to get paid. But with this opportunity, you can position yourself to earn instant commissions. What would your life look like if you had the ability to earn instant $600 commissions, right? On the go. So that's what I wanted to talk about. We have here another testimonial, Rebecca. This was 3 days ago. I have found the answer to daily sleep income, and so has my team. You can see right here a $115 commission, $650 commission. You can see here steps, another big sell. Stick to your strategy. That's a $600 commission that they generated. And that was a $600 commission. This is just me, just talking to the members and kind of letting them know what is possible, right? At the end of the day, it comes down to your dedication. How dedicated are you to change your life with a business opportunity? Okay, but there are no limits when it comes to the type of success that you can have. Beautiful thing is that you can work your own hours, create your own schedule, and start applying the strategies inside of my 6-figure blueprint. So take a look at the full details. Go to successwithadriana.com. Take action. Other than that, I will see you at the top.